Welcome to CareCloud stratusAI, your intelligent partner in patient communication. Say goodbye to long hold times and administrative bottlenecks. stratusAI handle patients' inquiries 24/7, ensuring your patients receive prompt assistance anytime.
Hello. Thank you for calling Swift Care Clinic, powered by CareCloud stratusAI. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'd like to check when my current appointment is scheduled for shoulder pain.
Okay, may I get your name?
Yes, it's Emma Alker.
Great. I may have found your patient record. Can you please confirm your date of birth?
Yes, June 26th, 1990.
Got it. Emma, I see that you have had 2 previous appointments with Dr. Blake, and your next appointment is scheduled for Thursday at 10:30 a.m.
Thursday at 10:30 does not work for me. Would it be possible if we reschedule it to any other day?
Sure thing. What day would suit you?
Can you check if Dr. Blake is available this coming Friday?
Okay, Dr. Blake has a free appointment slot on coming Friday at 9:30 a.m. Would that work for you?
Yes, that will be perfect.
I have scheduled your appointment for Friday at 9:30 a.m. with Dr. Blake. I'll send confirmation via text as well. Would you like to get information about anything else?
No, thank you. This would be enough.
Is the number you are calling from the best one to reach you at?
Yes, it is.
Done. You'll get the appointment confirmation shortly. Anything else I can help with?
No, thank you. That's all.
You're welcome. Have a great day, Emma.
And just like that, our stratusAI agent takes care of all your needs with complete precision and ensures you are totally satisfied.